welcome to Boat Ventures. Today we're doing a little bit of a different video than you're accustomed to. So welcome to all of those owners or people looking into this car that we just got, that we waited for over a year to get. So we got a 2023 Ford Maverick. We ordered it about a year ago. This is May 2023 right now. We originally ordered a 2022 and that shifted over to a 2023 order that we made in November, December of 2022. So let's go into a little brief overview of it all. And again, thank you for watching. And here is our long awaited Maverick. So we're out here on a nice sunny day, just picked it up from the dealership. We got the Atlas Blue XLT. So we did end up getting the hybrid version, so front wheel drive currently as of the 2023. We essentially just got a very basic model. The only additions we got were the sliding rear mirror, full size spare tire, and I'll show you some of the interior version, our features. We got the 400 watt plug-in and a sunroof. Other than that, everything was very basic for us. We were just trying to get a car in, and so we foregoed the luxury package. So the nice thing about the XLT is that you get the different rims, actual instead of the steel rims, and the power tailgate is what we really liked, and we're opening up the front here. We really liked the interior colors with the like navy-ish blue colored seats with the orange accents. And a little bit different than our other vehicle, we have a Volkswagen Atlas. It is still a keyed ignition with the XLT package we got. We also omitted the sensors or the camera within the windshield there. So no adaptive cruise control or anything. Good thing. The main thing that we were looking for within a car was to have good fuel mileage within the city, since we can do a lot of inner city driving with it for short commutes, and also have versatility of having a 4.5 foot truck bed. So everything within the XLT version is really kind of basic, so no power adjustment on the seats. We don't have the heated seats right now. We're going to do that aftermarket now that we have it. And being a truck, you want a lot of space. So in the back seat, we're going to have 2 car seats, a booster, and then a kind of harness seat there for our children. And for reference, I'm about 5'9", 5'10", and I'm kind of leaning back a lot here, so you can see the foot space you have, which is very comfortable. This is my seat. I like to sit back a little bit further. I can show you my foot space there. So for a front seat that is a little bit more reclined, and further back, there's still some leg room here for me. A nice thing that I noticed here is that there's a little carve out, so you can fit your feet or your knees in here really nicely and still feel a little bit more comfortable. But for us, we didn't purchase the Maverick for all of its space. That's kind of our Volkswagen Atlas role within for our family. We bought it just for more versatility and fuel economy and being able to have that truck bed, which we can go show you as well. Another thing, a lot of different areas for cup holders, which is really nice in the back seat. So the same as the front seat, you have this big notch for bigger cup holders. Another thing I noticed within some of their imaging is that they were able to fit a bike in the back here. Your bike wheel gives you a little bit more extra space for things that are a little bit longer. And then another cup holder is right down here in the middle of the seat. And also, they have a lot of little these options where you can customize things via 3D printing. So you're able to kind of print out some different accessories. I believe they sell an accessory pack for these kind of flex options. So you can have like I've seen cup holders, so 2 cup holders, or like a trash can. A lot of different options for you. Looking at the back window here, so you can see it's just a manual one, so slide open and close. We just got it for extra ventilation, thinking if we ever wanted something long to come out of the bed. It is a fairly small, as you can see with my hand, it's fairly small opening, so you won't fit too much in there. And potentially could damage, I guess, if you're leaning things that are heavy. So something to keep in mind. But just an added convenience just in case we thought we needed it. And then the number one thing we like in vehicles is the sunroof, so we added that option. That's probably one of the more expensive options to get outside of any of the packages. I think it was 1,100 Canadian for us. But that's the interior. It has app or CarPlay. It's a wired CarPlay in our version, in the XLT non-luxury version. The steering wheel isn't leather wrapped or anything as well, so a little bit more basic there. Making some noises, if you can hear that, while it's turned off. So for the gas, it is unlocked from the inside, so you'd unlock that there, and it is a spoutless one. And here's the truck bed. So pull it down here. It is a powered locked one. There's some options here. I haven't even looked into any of these, but I know that there's like little cubby holes that you can pull out. It kind of goes deep down in there, so you can store things here. And I also believe there's some connections behind this one from an electrical standpoint. Or maybe that's in here. Electrical connection here, 12 volt DC. And we'll end up getting the back of the bed all sprayed, linered in eventually. And to get a cover as well. So that's all future spending. Another thing, you can see the flex bed here. So you scan this QR code, which I haven't done yet. It just shows you options that you can do within your truck bed to utilize it with like 2x4s, things across here to show or to store things or maneuver things. Something I missed on the inside is the storage underneath the seats here. So you can see storage here under the seats, fairly large amount, which is nice. And since it's a hybrid, it does have the battery here. So lift that open, and there's the battery for the hybrid. I watched some YouTube videos in our research, so we haven't actually driven it prior to today. So I'm not sure of any customization or anything, but it's nice that you're able to lift this up to get some extra space underneath here, and it looks like it locks in too, which is nice. So you can unlock it by pulling here and pulling down, and the back axle comes down. Let's see. So looking in the back seat here, you can pull this latch down and probably get a flat bed here as well for extra space if you adjust these. Maybe not, you'd be pretty low. I think this is as far as it goes actually. So just connections for tethering your car seats back here. You can fit 3 car seats. Not sure how comfortable it would be. And also there is a jack in the back here. So that is our 2023 first impressions of our Ford Maverick. Feel free to drop any questions you might have of the buying process, how we got ours in, or any questions in general. We'll definitely look into all of them. and try and get you some answers. But feel free to let us know what you're most excited for in any area of Maverick that you ordered, or any future iterations of the Ford Maverick. Thanks for watching, and check out our other videos. And make sure to subscribe for future Ford Maverick videos if that's what you're interested in. I'm sure we'll be making more of those. Maybe some of our 2022 Volkswagen Atlas, if that's something of interest. Comment that down below. Otherwise, our channel is mainly focused on our traveling vlogs, also kind of family activities up here in Canada, in Calgary area, and really branching out into different areas of vlogging as well. So I'm excited to kind of get into this a little bit more, and make sure to subscribe, like, comment, and help us grow more, and to be able to get you more content. If it is Maverick car related or family related, how is a Maverick as a family car? That's going to be a future iteration for sure for us. But super excited to get acquainted with this vehicle. It's been an hour since we've picked it up, so very fresh, very new. Getting used to the not hearing your engine going while you just started it. As you can see here, haven't gone anywhere. But yeah, excited to learn all about this car. I'm sure there's gonna be positives and negatives. We'll try and line all those up, and things that we would wish in future iterations. Other things I didn't really show through here as a quick ending is some of the storage. So definitely a storage for your phone right here, sit up. It is wire, you have your wires here for my wire, but connections here, a USB-C and a USB to charge your phone and connect to Apple CarPlay, sorry, and all your adjustments. And I think this one here they mentioned was when you take your foot off the pedal, it'll stop. Don't think I will like that too much. I'll have to get used to that one. But yeah, we'll give you all of our opinions on that, and more of any options or the such in our future videos. So thank you for watching, and Boventure is out there. So you can see the speedometer here, just put it in the drive, but all electric currently, and you can see like the green area there shows you when you are driving electric. I took my foot off the brake right now, and it has that little stop hand sign there, so I believe that's that feature I was just showing you. So my foot is off the brake, and it won't go until I press the brake now.